Okay, now the problem is when we are open this PS3 emulator X, it will show some kind of error message. Says that need a BIOS file to fix this error or run this emulator. So please download this BIOS file by fill this survey. One thing I clearly mention you, I don't know anything about this BIOS file. How to set this BIOS file, how to put this BIOS file into a emulator. But this BIOS file is available under a video description link without filling any survey. Now go back to our problem. Remove all the browser from your operating system, also our Internet Explorer, but deactivate this Internet Explorer, not remove. So after remove all other browser, go to turn Windows features on or off. Click here. Now unselect Internet Explorer 9 or 8. OK. Click on OK button. After restart your PC, again start PS3 emulator X and click again OK button. Wait, I just do that. You can see this message. Click on OK. Now may I able to remove this message. So please try and tell me about your experience. Thank you for watching.